If you're considering buying Raisin US, there are 7 important things you need to know before making your decision. In this video, we're going to break down why Raisin US might be the right fit for your financial needs, and how it compares to other similar platforms. Stick around till the end, because I'll reveal an exclusive offer to help you get started for free. First thing to note, Raisin US is a platform that connects you with high-yield savings accounts and CDs, providing a simple way to boost your savings without the hassle. Compared to other savings platforms, Raisin US makes it easy to diversify your savings strategy by offering a wide range of banks and financial institutions. It's all about finding the best return on your money with less effort, making it a serious contender against traditional banks. Next thing, Raisin US has a user-friendly interface. If you've used platforms like Marcus by Goldman Sachs or Ali, you'll feel right at home. The design is simple, intuitive, and focused on making the process of opening accounts as quick as possible. You won't waste time navigating complex menus or dealing with clunky software. In fact, it's one of the smoothest platforms I've used in this space. The third thing to consider is the variety of products. Raisin US offers both high-yield savings accounts and CDs, but where they really stand out is in the variety of terms and options. Whether you're looking for short-term liquidity or a longer-term commitment, Raisin US allows you to pick what best suits your needs. This makes it competitive with other platforms like Wealthfront or Betterment, which may focus more heavily on investment products. The fourth thing, Raisin US partners with a wide range of FDIC-insured banks, which gives you a lot of flexibility. But what really sets them apart is that you can manage multiple bank accounts from one dashboard. This means you don't need to hop between different apps or websites to keep track of your money. It's a seamless experience that makes it easier to organize and grow your savings. Next thing you'll want to know, Raisin US doesn't charge fees. Many other financial products come with hidden fees that chip away at your earnings, but not here. Their business model is built around connecting you to the best offers without trying to take a cut of your savings. This is a huge advantage over some of the bigger banks that might charge you for account maintenance or transfers. The sixth thing is their customer service. From my experience, Raisin US offers solid customer support. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or just need advice, you can get quick responses through live chat or email. This is something that stands out when compared to other platforms like Marcus or Capital One 360, where some users report slow responses. Finally, the seventh thing to know, Raisin US offers a completely free trial, which is a great way to test the platform and see if it's right for you. With other financial products, you often have to commit without really understanding if it's a fit. But with Raisin US, you can try before you buy, which lowers the risk and gives you confidence in your decision. So, if you want to try out Raisin US and get the best offer, click the first link in the description below. You'll gain access to an exclusive free trial and some extra benefits you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out on this chance to boost your savings with ease and without the typical headaches. Go ahead, give it a try, and let me know what you think in the comments.